To short Tesla, and this is why. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. And before you freak out, before you think that I'm like completely against Tesla, right? That's definitely not the case at all. I am one of the, just like everyone else, right? I am one of the biggest Tesla fanboys. Check this out. You can see my market value. It shows negative 94 shares. I'm making money on Tesla as it sells off. And I want to share with you why I did it, and I'm actually going to cover. So this was a very quick day trade. I saw there to be an opportunity when we were experiencing a resistance level. I broke this all down in today's live trading session. So if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, make sure you watch today's live trading. If you guys have never watched me trade live, make sure you click the link in the description, message me on Instagram, and ask me. Don't be afraid to ask. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, message me on Instagram right now and ask for tomorrow's live trading session. So before we get started with today's video, just like I said in yesterday's video, I was going to be giving away either a mouse pad or a flag from shoptechbuds.com. So we have trading mouse pads, we have trading flags, and all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel, drop a comment saying you subscribed or subbed, and making sure that you drop a like on the video. And in yesterday's video, there was only 113 people that wrote the comment sub. So in reality, your odds are not that bad in comparison to other potential giveaways. So I'm going to be doing this every single day. So if you want a chance to win a trading mouse pad, head on over to shoptechbuds.com and pick your favorite mouse pad so you are prepared, and just make sure you comment and subscribed, right? So let's go ahead and pick a random comment. There we go. We got Alex Alvarez. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this. Alex, I am asking you to either message me on Instagram and or Discord showing me proof that this is your account, as well as what mousepad or flag you would like. So let's go ahead and break down today's trade. So this is Tesla. And Tesla has been showing signs of it being overbought. One of the very quick things that I want to share with you is some people will get triggered by this, and I know it for a fact because people are so naive. As I was making videos, as Tesla was very bullish, right? People were asking me, Ricky, are you going to short Tesla? Are you going to short Tesla? Of course not. Why would I short Tesla when it's super bullish, when it's indicating signs of an uptrend, and when it's super relevant, right? It doesn't make sense to short Tesla when I want to. It makes sense to short Tesla when the opportunity presents itself. And it's not until it actually begins to identify a resistance level and then it begins to break below the EMA line. And being completely honest, I was very late to this short overall position. I didn't short it from $1,200. My short position, what I'm here to share with you, is not perfect by any means. You can see that my average purchase price, let's see if it shows it. My average is 1,057, meaning that my average purchase price is 1,057, so right around here. And as it sold off, I made money as Tesla sold off. It's that simple, right? It's not about having a perfect trade, but it's understanding. So first off, why did I choose to short Tesla? Well, I knew for a fact there's one thing you cannot say. It's like, for all the people that are so naive that think that Tesla will never pull on back is mind-boggling to me. It's literally insane. How can you ever say that a stock will never pull on back? There's not one stock in history of the stock market that has never pulled on back. That is a fact. You should never be scared of a stock pulling back. You should be prepared. It should excite you. Even if you're going long on the stock, it should excite you because, again, you could even buy at a cheaper price and ride back the recovery. So this is why it's so crazy to me that people are so close-minded that they refuse to believe or accept that a stock will pull on back. Tesla pulls back all the time. Look at the past year. Pushes up, pulls back, pushes up, pulls back, pushes up, pulls back. It consolidates, it struggles, it rallies really strong. And all you need to know is the longer a stock takes for it to pull back, the harder it will crash. And that is a perfect example of what Tesla earned, right? Or where Tesla broke below the EMA line, it didn't pull back for about a month, and then it loses about 12 to 13%. I'm not surprised at all, right? You can see that now it's trying to find a support level. So now sharing with you my plan. I want to share with you what it is that I saw today. So first off, Tesla started off, obviously selling off very aggressively. It went below $1,000 a share. It pushed up, and I had a light short position around here, but it was when it began to indicate signs of a resistance. And what does that mean? Again, I'm going to keep things very, very simple. So as it struggled to break above 180 a share, all I was paying attention to is Tesla still indicating signs of an uptrend? No. And then it began to, as you could see, began to break below the EMA line and make lower highs and lower lows. And then it would rally a little bit and then make lower highs and lower lows. And you could see this. This low is higher than this low, so it's lower lows, right? This low is higher than this low, so it's lower lows. And it just continued and continued. And when it broke below the EMA, the moving average, that is when I stepped on the gas. That is when I was like, okay, I had about 30, 40 shares of Tesla, meaning I was shorting it. And I was like, okay, I'm going to double down on this. And I stepped on the gas as it traded below the moving average, as it really began to indicate signs of a descending pattern. It struggled to break below 150, so I was really paying attention to it there. And then as it broke below 150, guess what? It tanked all the way to lows of 112, which is what we just experienced. And you can see what's happening, right? Where it pushes up, it experiences a resistance level based off of the EMA and over the descending moving average, and it's going to continue to sell off. So what's my plan with Tesla? Do I want Tesla to crash? Do I want Tesla to burn? No, it's a freaking trade. I love Elon. I love everything it is that he stands for. I'm going to cover this position today. I don't care to hold a swing trade of shorting Tesla. First, everything you should know is shorting a stock does come at a greater form of risk. I simply saw an opportunity where there was an obvious resistance level and there was a lot of pullback potential, because if you look at Tesla on the 4-hour time frame, it still has ways to go before it corrects itself potentially at the moving average. So what I plan to do is I just wanted to have some fun today. The market was very choppy, and the only opportunity that I saw today was that Tesla was overbought and that it could potentially pull on back. So when I saw that opportunity and when I saw it get the confirmation of trading below the moving average, that's when I doubled down, stepped on the gas, and I don't care about my opinion about how much I like Elon, of how much I like Tesla. My opinion is irrelevant. My emotions are irrelevant. What matters is the actual opportunity, the direction, the confirmation, what actually matters. I don't care what it is that you think. You shouldn't care about what other people think about that specific stock. What always matters when it comes down to trading something is what is actually important, the direction, the overall price action. Is this thing indicating signs of an uptrend, so it wouldn't make much sense to short it, and or is it experiencing a resistance level and or selling off, so then it actually makes sense to short it. Always make sure that the actions that you take today are something that align with your future self, right? And your goals. So why would you short something just because it's overbought and not indicating signs of an uptrend? Definitely not the case, right? Which is why I would refuse to short Tesla regardless of how overbought it became, as it was still super, super bullish. It's understanding not what you want to do, but understanding when it makes sense to actually do it, when the direction, the actual opportunity presents itself. And that's exactly what led to my success today of being up over $2,000 on the day shorting Tesla stock. So my intention, my plan is to short Tesla anywhere from around $1,000 a share. It wouldn't really surprise me if it continues to make lower highs, lower lows. If it breaks back above the moving average, just know that I will close my short position completely within that specific range. So I'm very, very excited to follow up with it. I made a couple quick bucks off of Tesla. Very excited for it. But again, be very, very careful, as Tesla, when it does get going and when it does recover, it has a lot of momentum and it's very, very bullish. So when shorting a stock, it always comes at a greater form of risk. So make sure that if you suck at risk management and or you're an absolute beginner, maybe shorting a stock is not in your best interest right now. You need to learn how to walk before you run. I just simply wanted to showcase the why behind my short position and what led to my success. It's not because I wanted to, but it's because it made sense that I took this trade. And I actually think that's what ultimately led to my success. So that's really just it. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about what it is that I did today. Again, congrats to Alex. Make sure you message me on Instagram. And if you want a chance to win a mouse pad and or a flag, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a thumbs up. Comment below that you subscribed, and I will be picking another giveaway winner tomorrow by tomorrow's video. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.